Hey guys, so I hope everyone had a really wonderful Thanksgiving. Today, of course, is the day after Thanksgiving, also known as Black Friday, which is the biggest shopping day of the year here in the US. And of course, we've also got Cyber Monday, and a lot of times now the stores will hold their sales for the entire weekend. So I wanted to come on here and talk to you a little bit about Black Friday and also Cyber Monday and just shopping, I guess, in general, more specifically online shopping, because I know there are some people for Black Friday that line up at 12 a.m. or 4 a.m. or whatever time to try and get the sales, but for me personally, I cannot do it and wait in the line. So I do all of my Black Friday and Cyber Monday shopping online, and a nice thing now, originally they started Cyber Monday to be sort of like the Black Friday for online shopping, but most of the time now stores will do their Black Friday sale as well as Cyber Monday and sometimes carry it out through the entire weekend. So I think that that's a really great thing, but I wanted to come on here to talk to you a little bit about how I online shop and save money and get coupons and things like that, and also I wanted to do a giveaway to help kickstart your holiday shopping. So I'm really excited about that part, but I'm going to talk to you about, the other stuff first. So a lot of people have been asking me recently about the website called EBATES, and this is something that I use for like 95% of my online purchases. It not only lets you earn cash back on your purchases, but a lot of times there'll be coupon codes and different things like that. So that's the main one I really wanted to talk to you guys about in this video, because people have been asking me specifically about that website and if it was legitimate and all of that. So first of all, it is 100% legitimate. I've been using EBATES since 2007, or I've been a member of EBATES since 2007. I don't think I actually started using it until 2009 or 10 because I didn't do a lot of online shopping before. But now I don't really have time to go to the store as often, so I do find myself buying things online, and a lot of the things that I purchase now can only be purchased online. So EBATES has been a total lifesaver for me, and I want to talk to you guys about it on this day specifically because they have a double cashback thing going on for 24 hours on Black Friday, and then they're bringing it back again on Cyber Monday. So I want to let you guys know because it's only 24 hours at a time, so I wanted to make sure that I got the video out and I let you guys know all about it. I think what I'm gonna do is actually take you over to the computer and show you how to use the website versus me sitting here trying to talk to you guys about it and explain it, because I have a feeling that that might get a little bit confusing. So I'm actually gonna bring you over to the computer. I'll show you my account and all of that good stuff, and then we'll come powwow back here and talk about it a little bit further, and also talk about the exciting giveaway that I'm gonna be doing as well. Now, when you're first signing up for EBATES, you're going to get this initial prompt right here, and you can choose a $10 gift card to Macy's, Walmart, Target, or Kohl's, or you can go ahead and choose $5 EBATES cash. So basically what this is just a little bonus for signing up for EBATES, and you'll receive your bonus when you make your first purchase. So then you just choose which bonus you'd want and then put in your email address. I already have an account, so I don't need to do this, but I'll just bring you to the login page. Now, I actually just signed up for a demo account because I don't want to show like all my information on there. Basically, I wanted to show you what it would look like as a new user and how to navigate the site and all of that. So since it is the Black Friday sale going on right now, this is on the home page. It shows you all of the different stores that are part of the Black Friday sale, and then again, for the Cyber Monday sale. So you've got all of these right here, but you also have all of these down here. So there is a ton of them. I will try to list the ones that I think would interest you in the info box below. So if you were just going to go to the regular home page, it just looks like this. And again, they will show you certain things that are up here, featured stores, and a lot of times there will be like a daily double over here somewhere usually. And then also you can go ahead and search up here. So this is normally what I'll do. So I'll usually search something like Saks. So as you can see, here's the Saks Fifth Avenue, the cashback percent, all of the coupons that are live right now. Now this is all you need to do to earn the cash back. So if you're going on the website, all you have to do is shop now, and it's going to redirect you. It lets you know that it did record you clicking the link to go to Saks, and then obviously it's just the Saks Fifth Avenue website. So you shop the website as you normally would, and EBATES just keeps track of the fact that you clicked the link through their site. So that's really it. After you make your purchase, I think a couple days later or whenever they charge you for your purchase, then it goes on your account. So I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like on your account. Basically, it would be here. Again, this is my demo account, but I'll show you part of my regular account. So if you look at it right here, this is cash paid, cash pending, total cash back, and then next cash back. So you'll be getting your next check on February 15th. They usually send checks every 3 months. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like on mine, just because this is 000, so you won't be able to see any of the past purchases or anything like that, but I will go ahead and pull mine up for you. So this is my personal account, the one that I actually use in real life. As you can see, it says member since 2007, and also cash paid. So the cash paid is the total amount that you've made the entire lifetime of your account. Like I said, I've been a member since 2007, so from then until now, this is how much cash back I've been paid. Underneath that, there's a section for cash pending, and if you click the dollar amount, you'll be redirected to this page right here, and this is going to show you all of your pending transactions. So it'll show you the date, the store, the purchase amount, as well as the amount of cash back you'll be receiving, and these stay pending until you've passed the return date. So they just want to make sure that they're not paying you for an item that you end up returning. And if you return something, you'll just get an email saying that, you know, that was canceled. So here are some of my purchases right here. There's my beauty.com purchase that I did a video on, as well as some Tory Burch purchases. And I know it doesn't look like a ton of money that I'm getting back, but it really does add up. And also at the time, the Tory Burch percent back was only 3.5% back, I think. And right now, if you were going to buy something, it's actually 7% back with the Black Friday sale. So that's kind of sad, but you know, that's how it goes. And then also some of the websites like Tory Burch, if you sign up for their mailing list, you can actually get 10% off your first purchase with free shipping. So you'd be getting 10% off on top of the 7% cash back. So it's pretty much like getting 17% off your purchase, which is really amazing. So definitely look into things like that and just do some investigating. But I think EBATES is a really great tool to use for your shopping. So as you can see, it's super easy to use. I think that the hardest part about using EBATES is remembering to use EBATES. I know when I first started trying to use the website, I would always forget about it and think about it after the fact that I already made my purchase and get so mad about it and frustrated that I didn't check there first, because a lot of times something like 6 or 8% cash back makes a big difference because you're getting, you know, the tax that you paid back pretty much, or it's covering your shipping. So definitely anytime you're going to make a purchase online, check there first. And they may not have every store, but I would say that 90% or more of the stores that I online shop from, they do have on there. Anytime that you can shop and get cash back or get some sort of discount, it's always a really great thing. So absolutely love the website. I've been using it for a while now. Like I said, Steve now uses it, his sister uses it, and I think he got his parents to sign up through him and stuff like that too. Pretty much anything else that you'd want to know you can find on the EBATES website, but of course if you have any questions, you can always feel free to ask me. I'd suggest Twitter or Facebook just because I have an easier time checking those and responding back on those social media platforms versus having to come back to this video and check, you know, all the older comments and stuff like that. But if you have any questions, I would be more than happy to help you out with anything that is within my ability. I don't have every answer or all of the answers, but I have been using the website for a really long time and I do use it pretty frequently, so I think I have a pretty good grasp on how the website works and all of that. So definitely feel free to ask me if you have any questions. Their customer service is really great as well, so if you had any additional questions or any questions that I didn't have the answer to, you can always feel free to contact them and they will get back to you. They're actually very proactive on their customer service team because they are the ones that had reached out to me. They wanted to ask me about some activity that was going on my account, and we started talking, and that's kind of how this whole giveaway thing started. They didn't even know I did YouTube. I've had my EBATES account longer than I've been doing videos, so you know, I'm just a regular EBATES customer that ended up having a cool story, and they let me do a really awesome giveaway for you guys. So with that being said, I'm just going to get into the giveaway part of it, which I'm sure a lot of you have been waiting for. So not only did we want to help you out with double cash back on your purchases, coupon codes, and all of that, we're also giving away $500 cash, which is absolutely amazing, and I'm sure it will help someone out with their holiday shopping so much. Entering, of course, is going to be super easy, but there are a couple things that you will need to do. So first of all, you do need to be a subscriber of my channel, as this is a thank you to my subscribers. And secondly, and most importantly, you do need to sign up for an EBATES account through the special Black Friday link that I'll leave in the info box below. I cannot stress to you enough how important that is. That's actually how EBATES is going to go through and choose the winner. So there really was no other way to make sure that the people that were entering were not only signing up for EBATES, but also that they had found EBATES through this video. Since it is a giveaway that's for my subscribers, not just to the open EBATES public, but just specifically for the people that are signing up through me. So that's really the only way that we were able to do it. So it's very, very important that you sign up through that specific Black Friday link. The giveaway will be open for 1 week, and like I said, EBATES will go through and choose a winner, and they're actually going to be the ones that award you your prize. So within a week after the giveaway ends, you will have your $500. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this giveaway. I think the giveaway is absolutely amazing, but also the Black Friday deal is really awesome as well. So they're going to be doing it on Black Friday and also Cyber Monday. So it'll be double cash back, double what the normal rate is. So I will leave a list in the info box below of some of these stores that I think you guys might be interested in, but I would suggest going on the website and just checking it out because, you know, it might surprise you certain ones. Certain ones are like 14% and just it's crazy. So I hope you guys will have fun with this and save yourselves some money. There's also going to be additional promotions going on for Black Friday and Cyber Monday through EBATES that I'll leave in the info box below. I don't want to talk about them too much and drag the video out, but if you're interested, I would check there and I'll leave all of the extra little bonuses and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and happy shopping. Bye!